Chashma Barrage, Ramsar Site. Chashma Barrage wetland site is located in Indus Monsoon Forest, some 25 km southwest of Mianwali, Punjab, Pakistan. The site is comprised of a large barrage, a water storage reservoir and a series of embankments, serving as flood bounds, which divide the reservoir into 5 shallow lakes at low water levels. The site is comprised of a large barrage, a water storage reservoir and a series of embankments, serving as flood bounds, which divide the reservoir into 5 shallow lakes at low water levels. The aquatic vegetation consists of Hydrilla verticillata, Nelumbium speciosum, Nymphea lotus, Typha angustata, Typha elephantina, Phragmites australis, Potamogeton crispus myriaphyllum sp nymphoides cristatum, Potamogeton pectinatus, Saccharum spontaneum, Vallisneria spiralis, and Zanichellia palustris. The natural vegetation of the region is a mixture of subtropical semi-evergreen scrub and tropical thorn forest. Species include Olea ferruginea, Acacia modesta, A. nilotica, Adatoda vasica, Dodonaea viscosa, Gymnosporia sp, Prasa P. cineraria, Reportonia buxifolia, Salvadora oleoides, Tamarix aphylla, T. dioica, Ziziphus mauritania, Z. nummularia. Prasa P. glandulosa has been introduced in the area. Most of the natural thorn forest on the plains to the east of the Indus has been cleared for agricultural land and for irrigated plantations of Dalbergia sisu and other species. The rich fish fauna includes Goodousia chapra, Notopterus chaetala, Catla, Sirinus mriga, C. reba, Labio rahata, L. microphthalmus, Puntius ticto, P. stigma, Barilius vagra, Waligo attu, Rita, Bogarius, Mista sour, M. singhala, Heteropneustes fos eles, Eutropiacthas vacha, Nandus sp, Mastocymbellus armatus, M. pancalus, M. bassus nama, A. renga and Channa punctatus. Other aquatic fauna includes Hirudinaria sp, Polyemon species, Rana tigrina, Kachuga smithi, Trionix gangidicus and Lysamis punctata. Mammals occurring in the area include Sus scrofa cristatus, Axis porcinus, Canis aureus, Felis libica, and Lutra perspicillata. Kashi Canal Project. Kashi Canal Project is located in Punjab, Pakistan. Kashi Canal Project was started in October 2002. The project, estimated to cost Rs 28 billion, is planned as a fast-track part of Vision 2025, the National Development Programme of Water and Hydropower Resources. The first leg of the project comprises 500 km long Kashi Canal to offtake from Tonsa Barrage with a capacity of 6,000 cuscs. According to the official documents, the project will provide irrigation to 713,000 acres of land and will enhance cropping intensity in the project area from the present 2% to 46%. The Kashi Canal will be fed through Tonsa Barrage for only 6 months.